Right, so here's how my schedule is laid out. Build and fix things, trash recycling day, build and fix things, shop, trains, wash clothes, trains, dust, vacuum, burn, and clean house. Sunday. Go back to Monday, repeat. But why stop there? Got a street map there. And then we come down here. This would be my daily accomplishments. I haven't marked this one at all this month. We're gonna have to start this next month. Basically, you list all your accomplishments for that day, and you see how far you get. Then we got this, that you want to see 0 of. Basically, this is your daily injuries. We don't want high numbers on this. I tell you what, your daily injuries, you want to see 0 on that. I mean, you can see what's going on in here. Oh, that windmill carriage. 1648. Oh, I tell you what, all the cars are going to be like this one day. Oh, you see that.